Hello, model railroad design fans! I'm beyond thrilled to announce that my first ever industry guides are now live on our store. These guides are packed with everything you need to know to bring real-world industries to your model railroad layouts with detailed track plans and inspiring visuals. Cement and petroleum industry guides are complete. Each one spans 17 to 20 pages, loaded with unique track plans and dozens of images. You'll get industry basics, tips on realistic operations, and ideas for scenery that make your layouts pop. Perfect for modeling cement hoppers or petroleum tank cars. Here's a quick peek at how we model a refinery. And here's a track plan based on a medium-sized refinery, and it's all about finding the elements that are relevant to model us model railroaders and try to make unique scenes. All that in a package that is fun to operate and to switch. Each guide includes 5 track plans just like this, plus tons of photos to spark some creativity. Now, I need your input. What industries should we tackle next? Coal, lumber, or maybe something like ethanol or paper industry? Drop your suggestions in the comments. As a first-time writer, I put so much time and energy in these guides, and your support makes it all possible. So head out to the store and grab the cement guide, the petroleum guide, all of them, why not? And I also wrote a guide to shape your vision. So it has questions in it, start the thinking process. What do I really want from the hobby and from my layout? So check it out. The members on YouTube also get early access to all the layout design videos. So check it out, become a member. Thanks for fueling this hobby, and let's build some amazing layouts together.